Restoration Village Farm project, located in the Volta region, is a certified organic agroforestry project founded in January 2019. The Restoration Village Farm project aims to restore sustainable agro-communities by empowering women and youth through training and employment, and by assisting the development of agribusiness enterprises around agroforestry and organic market gardens, which supplies the present consumer demand for organic produce. In addition, trees for food security crops are cultivated to increase food productivity per acre for families, restore and maintain biodiversity, and mitigate the effects of climate change in our rural areas. Issues such as unemployment, poverty, and other social disparities can be addressed by engaging women and youth in productive organic agro-enterprises as a means of providing a viable intervention towards restoring our communal social and economic integrity.